In this video, I will be replacing the fender liner and wheel opening molding on this 2014 Toyota Highlander. It might be similar for other vehicles too, so you can follow these steps. I bought these genuine parts from a Toyota dealer, but the aftermarket works just as well. It's important to have different types of clips and 10mm bolts to install these. Links will be in the description below. My liner here was damaged because it lost a few clips and got loose. The wheel made a hole here and it was ripped off the vehicle. I need to remove the wheel to do this job. If your liner is still in place, you'll have to go around and remove all the clips and nuts. I'll now remove the wheel opening molding. Now I need to remove this 10mm bolt. I just need to release some clips here. There should be another bolt here, but it fell out somehow. There are two clips at the bottom here, holding this in place. I need to remove them. So the clips were here. I need to transfer this piece to the new molding. I need to snap this in and reinstall the clips. I'll remove these broken clips and clean up this area because the molding should be held in place by clips and adhesive. I have cleaned with alcohol. This liner already comes with clips, so I only need to remove the strip of the adhesive tape here. Now I need to snap the clips in place. Now I will reinstall the two clips here. That's it for the wheel opening molding. I will now install the splash guard here with two 10mm bolts. It's time to install the fender liner. The key is to make note of the holes in the liner to get an idea as to where the clips and bolts should go. Just hold the liner in place and start with one bolt. Then move to a next bolt until the liner is fully secured. I will remove this bolt to use it to hold the liner here. While installing this liner, I realized that I didn't have all the clips needed, so I will use these clips as a temporary hold. Two bolts under here, one here, one here, one here. Oh, and there are actually three right here. One bolt here, a clip here, one bolt here, one here, a clip here, and I need to install three more clips here, and that's it. This is a look at the finished job. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. But before you go, do something for me. Hit the like button. See you on the next one, guys.